In fact, the news that is just coming in is that centre is in no mood to start talks with the separatists. Even after the pressure is mounting from the opposition, government has given a go-ahead to after the top terrorist leadership in the valley and to break the backbone of their infrastructure. Despite demand from different quarters, centre is in no mood to talk with Hurriyat leaders. Centre has made it clear not to speak to pro-Pak lobby in the valley. Now, this comes after Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister met the Prime Minister as well. There were cracks appearing between the two alliance partners on the very crucial issue of whether to involve all stakeholders in a Kashmir solution or not. And with all stakeholders, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister had said perhaps it's time to go back to the Insaniyat formula of Atal Bihari Vajpayee and involve separatists in a dialogue as well, to which the centre has said a firm no. My colleague Manjeet is joining us at the moment. In fact, Manjeet, give us more details of the news that you're picking up.
Devina, in the present scenario where the security forces are feeling tied down, but they have ensured by the government, they would believe. As you know, in the present scenario, especially there's a lot of pressure from various quarters, including the mainstream political parties, to engage the separatist leader. But the feeling is that talking to them is not going to yield any result.
All right, that means Pak proxies off the table, and that also means that the rift between the PDP and BJP would only widen, Manjeet, going ahead. We'd seen the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister invoking the Insaniyat formula, which Atal Bihari Vajpayee had talked about while reaching out to Jammu and Kashmir. Now, are we also getting a reaction from the PDP on the centre's tough stand to still not to engage the Pak proxies and separatists in the valley?
Hello.
All right, we'll try and connect with Manjeet in just a bit, but this is a tough stand that the centre has refused to budge. No stakeholders from separatists would be involved in a Kashmir solution.